You know, when you think about it, what is money anyway?
What do you mean?
Well, you know, back in the day, gold and silver was the only type of money there was. There was no checks, there was no credit cards, and there was no paper bills.
Yeah. So?
Well, then we got the paper bills that began to represent the gold and the silver. You know, you remember back when you had the dollar bills that had silver certificate written across the top of them?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, for every silver certificate they had in circulation.
Oh, you know what, babe? I almost forgot. I made an appointment for you tomorrow at 10 a.m. for your stomach with a Dr. Johnson.
Hold on. How do you know I didn't have something to do on my day off?
Well, do you?
Well, no, but that's besides the point. Anyway, what's wrong with Dr. Pajorski?
You've been seeing him for over a month now taking those pills and they still aren't doing you any good. Besides, nothing wrong with getting a second opinion. And anyway, Dr. Johnson is a naturopath.
What the hell is a naturopath? Is that like a psychopath?
Very funny. No, it just means she uses natural healing remedies instead of surgery and drugs.
Oh, so what you telling me is she's got like this cauldron in the back where she's boiling up
Would you just go see her?
Okay. Anyway, what I was telling you was that for every piece of silver, or for every silver certificate that they had in circulation, there was an actual piece of silver that backed that piece of paper and gave the paper a fixed value. One bill equaled a certain weight of silver, and if you wanted to, you could go and trade your certificate in and have a nice shiny piece of silver to carry around with you.
Okay, so what's your point?
My point is now is that the federal note we have is just paper and ink. You can't take it in and trade it in on gold and silver anymore. It doesn't have any real value. And as a matter of fact, the coins that we walk around with in our pocket, well, that is if anyone actually walks around with coins anymore, are made out of copper and nickel instead of silver and gold.
How's the meat coming?
It's getting there. What I was saying was, since these Federal Reserve notes that we have...
Also, I called the guy about the light upstairs in the bedroom.
Jennifer, are you listening to me? I'm trying to tell you something.
Sorry, I just wanted to let you know that I called the guy about the light upstairs.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, is there anything else you want to tell? Got anything else for me?
Nope, I think that's it.
You really know how to piss over my epiphany. You know that? Jeez. Anyway, like I was saying, the Federal Reserve notes now, they don't even have any real value. It's completely arbitrary. And because of that, the government can go in and they can print up as much of this money as they want to, whenever they want to. Because it doesn't mean anything to them. It's just paper and ink. It makes the U.S. currency as we know it today, in essence, worthless.
Jim, can we just eat dinner now, please?
You know what, Dan? I think I'm on to something here. I can't quite put my finger on it right now, but I do believe it's important.